Bird in my vacuum. Been having trouble with birds getting in here. There he is, look. His brother's all died in here. I don't know why he's in here still. Get out! I hate birds. I hate him. He's got a nest. Get out! Get! Come on, get out of here. Take your babies and go. Out! I don't know what to do. Oh, it's got a whole family. He's got his whole family. Ah! That was... Oh, I'm going to discover another one in there. Oh, he's in there. There he is. Oh, get out. Get out. Oh. Come on, bird. Get out. Get away. Get out. Get out of there. Take your bird face and go. You're gonna hate me for this, bird. You're gonna hate me. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You gotta get out. Get out of my vacuum. Get out of my vacuum.